Morning in the e-learning classes of United Way Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Sunil Kumar Verma, math teacher. Today, I am going to discussing about CC test paper 2 in chapter fraction. First, we define fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Other define we write the number of the form as P/Q, where P and Q are natural numbers, are called fractions. As for example, A by B, where A is a fraction in which A as numerator and B as denominator. Second definition, vulgar fraction. This is a type of fraction in which place of denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100 and 1000 etc. As for example, 2 by 9, 5 by 11, 6 by 13, 101 by 207 etc. Students, you know various types of fraction such that proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. So we define proper fraction, a type of fraction in which numerator is less than denominator. Similarly, improper fraction, which fraction numerator is greater than denominator, is called improper fraction. Mixed fraction, a whole number which a fractional part is called mixed fraction. Like fraction, which denominator is same, and unlike fraction, which denominator is different. Equivalent fraction in which numerator and denominator divided by same non-zero number, या divided by या multiplied by same non-zero number is called an equivalent fraction. Students, in question number 1, third define is improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. One time more, students. Improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. Examples of fractions: 3/5, 11/13. Examples of vulgar fraction: 1/2, 5/9. Example of improper fraction: 9/7, 12/5. Students, look forward to the board side. Question number 2. What should be added to 6 whole 3/5 to get 15? What should be added to 16 6 whole 3/5 to get 15? In solution, let the added number be f. By question, we have 6 whole 3/5 plus x is equal to 15 is equal to 6 5 the 30 plus 3 33 by 5 6 5 the 30 या 5 6 the 30 plus 3 is equal to 33 by 5 plus x is equal to 15 इसलिए x is equal to 15 minus 33 by 5 here 33 by 5 transposing after going to left to right means opposite side plus to minus. Now take LCM 5 15 5 the 75 minus 33 is equal to 42 by 5 is equal to 8 whole 2 by 5 solution. Hence answer is 8 whole 2 by 5. Other question, find the value. Question number 4. 12 by 25 of a liter. We know all 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So we write 12 by 25 multiplied by 1000 ml. Liter convert into ml. Now we divide 1000 by 25 40 times. In product 12 and 40 is equal to 480 ml. Answer. Second question, 5 by 8 of a kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So we write 5 by 8 multiply sign in place of 1 kilogram change into 1000 gram. Now we divide 1000 by 8. 125 8 is 1000. 5 multiply 125 is equal to 625 gram. Answer. Students, now we are solve question number 8. So you all of you see and watch by both side silently. By what number should 6 whole 2 by 9 be divided to obtain 4 whole 2 by 3? One time more. By what number should 6 whole 2 by 9 be divided to obtain 4 whole 2 by 3? 4 whole 2 by 3, that means quotient. Result. That is divided. We find divisor. So by question we write required number be x. The required number be x. Now we write 6 whole 2 by 9 divided by x and result we obtain 4 whole 2 by 3 is equal to 9 6 is 54 plus 2. 9 6 is 54 plus 2. How many? 56 by 9. Divide sign, change into multiplication. So that is reverse. 1 by x is equal to 4 3 या 12 plus 2 14 by 3. Now we write 56 बटे 9 56 बटे into x is equal to 14 by 3. Now we write cross multiplication. Constant variable all we write in left hand side. Multiplied by 14 is equal to 3 multiplied by 56. इसलिए required number x is equal to 3 multiplied 56 divided by 9 multiplied by 14. 14 4 times. 14 4 is 56. 3 3 is 9 is equal to 4 by 3 is equal to 1 whole 1 by 3. Solution. That is answer of question number 8. By what number should 6 whole 2 by 9 be divided to obtain 4 whole 2 by 3? So solution 1 whole 1 by 3. Students, now we see what question number 9. Each side of a square is 5 whole 2 by 3 meter long. Find its area. Area means inner part of a figure is called its area. Inner part of a figure is called its area. So a square definition you know. All sides have the same length with same angles 90 degree each. First you construct a figure of a square which all four sides have the same length and each angle measured is right angles. Side 5 or 2 by 3 meter. By definition, area of a square is equal to side of square is equal to side into side is equal to 5 whole 2 by 3 meter into 5 whole 2 by 3 meter is equal to 5 3 is 15 into 17 by 3 meter into 17 by 3 meter is equal to 17 multiply 17 by 3 multiply 3 into meter multiply meter is equal to 289 by 9. Meter multiply meter is equal to square meter is equal to divide 289 by 9. 9 3 is 27, 9 2 is 18. So you write in solution finally as answer 32 whole 1 by 9 square meter answer. Students, now you solve question number 16. That question, a car runs 9 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. A car runs 9 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 3 or 2 by 3 liter of petrol? So here use unitary method. Unitary method in 1 liter of petrol. In 1 liter of petrol, a car covers 9 kilometer. But in 1 liter of petrol, abbreviation of liter is 1 liter of petrol, a car covers 9 kilometer. Similarly, we write in 3 whole 2 by 3 liter of petrol, a car covers 9 multiply 3 whole 2 by 3 kilometer is equal to 9 multiply 9 9 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 by 3 kilometer. 3 3 is 9, 3 multiply 11 is equal to 33 kilometer answer. So distance covered by a car in 3 or 2 by liter of petrol is equal to 33 kilometer answer. Question number 17. First and 5 I am solving here. First question, reciprocal of 8 whole 2 by 3 is what? Reciprocal means opposite या interchanging the place of numerator and denominator. First we convert in simple fraction. 8 3 is 24 plus 2, 26 by 3 is equal to reciprocal of इतना, तो reciprocal of 8 whole 2 by 3 is 3 by 26. If 8 whole 2 by 5, then its reciprocal is 5 by 42 answer. 5 number irreducible 4. So first we find its HCF. HCF of 84 and 98 is equal to 1 time 84, 8 less 4, 4, 9 less 8, 1, now 14, 6 is 84. HCF is equal to 14. Now we write 84 divided by same number, zero number by 14. 98 divided by also 14. We have 6 by 7 answer. HW solve test paper 2.